Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Beauty with Be Sweet, where we talk about beauty and self-care. Now today I'm going to show you how I've been making whip shape body butter. I've got the butter already on a double boiler on the stove. I should have cut the butter up a bit smaller, but they're already in chunks, so I just put it in there, which for future reference, always cut them up in smaller pieces. Now here I've been putting organic coconut oil. Now this is so sweet. The scent of this coconut oil is so sweet, trust me. But yeah, I was just eyeballing the measurements. I was not sure on how much, but I was just doing it for myself and to give to some friends to test out as well and to see how I get on. And yeah. I like doing these kind of stuff. They're very therapeutic for me and it helps to calm the mind and it's very relaxing. So yeah, it's nice making your own body butter. And now vitamins E is added in. I'll be adding the benefits of all these oils that I'm using in the description. And like I said, I did not use any measurement. I was just eyeballing stuff and put what I feel is best. Now here is the avocado oil. This is very moisturizing. And as you can see, there was still some shea butter still in the oil, but for some reason that one was just being stubborn. So yeah. This is very therapeutic, trust me. If you should do this for yourself at home, you'll love it. Next I'll be adding the lavender as the fragrance oil, but what I should have done, I should have waited until after I've taken it off and let it cool for a bit, because while it's boiling on the heat, the fragrance, it's like the heat is burning out the fragrance. It's best to wait until after the oil is cool to put the fragrance in. Now this is where the oil, you leave it to cool for a bit and then in the fridge. And this is how it looked when you take it out the fridge. I leave mine in the fridge for like 10 hours or more, and then it's the next day I took it out and it was whisking away. And yeah, I should have left it for room temperature for it to, it was melting and, well, defrosting, I would say, because it set and it was very hard, so I was struggling here. And this was my first time attempting to do all of this, so I was very impressed with myself. And yeah, there it is, looking like whipped cream, and I was so pleased. I loved it so much. And yeah, I'm gonna start making my own body cream and keep my skin well hydrated. Now carry on watching, and at the end of the video you'll see me demonstrating a bit on how I applied it on my skin and how it hydrated my skin. And yeah, I made sure I had a shower and did not cream my skin because I wanted to use this on that day and to test it out and to see, and I was very impressed with it. And again, I'll leave the information of everything that I've used in the video and what the benefits are, or you could just Google it yourself. So we'll see. I might leave it in the description, I might not, but yeah, there you go. And this was I did this for like face cream as well, because all the ingredients, the oils that I put in could have gone on your face as well. So I was testing it out for face and body as well, but for future reference I'll make a face cream separate from the body. And yeah, look at that, so hydrating. Look at that shine. I loved it. I couldn't get enough of it. Yeah, I'm not one to always cream in my skin. I just can't be asked, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna start looking after my skin. It's the one skin I have, so yeah, look after it, treat it well. Yay, look at that. Now here is where I've gotten this piping set from Asda. It came with 10 bags, sorry, and that's a different bag I bought from somewhere else, but those ones were in there, so I was just showing it. Yep, 10 piping bags, and it came with some different nozzles as well. You know, this is for like cake, so I said, let me buy this disposable one and try it and see how I get on. And now this bit was very tricky because the bag, I thought the bags need to be bigger, but I think I've worked something out for the next video, because later on probably in December, I'll make another video, because I have made a different whip shea body butter since then, and this one has came out way better than this first one. But you know, it's my first attempt, and I said, let me just do this as content, and yeah, therapeutic for me, so why not just put it out there. So this is me showing how I put the piping bag together and everything. After I finished doing it, I did label the jars, because I gave those to some friends and they loved the cream. And yeah, like I said, it's very therapeutic for me, and I have to try and do things to just help calm my mind. Yeah, and all of this, what I was doing, made no sense. After this, you will see, you're gonna laugh. I was like, okay, at this point, oh yeah, this is where it was freezing up, and I was like, something's not right, it's too hard, hold on, let me just whisk you again. It was hardening up in the wrong way, and I think I could have added some oils here, and I choose not to, but it was going hard fast, and I was like, this was not right. But I figured where I went wrong, and like I said, I've made another batch after this, because now that I've liked the idea of making my own body butter, so I'm gonna always be doing this for myself and friends, if and so on. But yeah, I just kept on whisking away till it went back soft. I was like, why is it getting so hard? I thought it was freezing up, but it wasn't. Well, defrosting, sorry, I thought it was defrosting and getting hard or something, but I realized it was the oil. I didn't add enough oils to it. And yeah, you have to learn to do these things, and if you mess up the first go, at least you know you mess up where it's yourself you're doing it for, so it's okay. And like I said, all this is just very therapeutic for me, and I enjoy doing these DIYs, and I'm gonna try and put more DIYs on my channel, what I'm doing, and I'm going to be vlogging as well, and makeup. This is what my channel is about. I was gonna make a different YouTube page, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna do all whatever I want with this one page. Screw this niche thing, I'm not up for that. So yeah, there you go. But yeah, I put this now thinking, okay, I'm gonna easily pull it up and not get it touch my hand. Or wrong was I, and even thinking it was gonna be down in the bottom. How wrong was I? I was laughing after. I was so nervous even doing this bit, but then I'm like, it's only body cream, so it's okay if it touch my skin. But the way how I planned things in my head, and then it turned out, I was like, oh, look at this now, look at this, look. I was so upset. I was like, why is it still at the top? It should be in the bottom. I was laughing my head off. Look at that. No. And then another thing I realized, like, you have to be quick when you're doing the piping, because the butter will melt. It will melt, and it started melting at one point. I was struggling, but I made it work. And like I said, just my therapeutic sessions. Look at that. What? I was like, wait, oh, I need to hold it with the other hand, but I couldn't. It was very difficult, and like I said, my first time again. So yeah, you caught all of this on camera, and look, I was like, oh, my first face cream, body cream. I was so excited. But yeah, that's it. Me piping away. And I also made the other one. I did that off camera, I think, but I show where I put the cream back into the tub, the jug that I bought it in. Is it jug or jar that I bought it in, because I didn't have any bigger one. I only had those small ones at the time, so I ended up had to buy some jars for the next batch that I'm using now. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this. Very therapeutic. Look at that. Oh, I did do the second one on camera. There you go. But the butter was melting. I had to move very fast. I was like, oh god. Very nice. But tell me in the comment section which bit did you like, or anything you would like to see me test out, try any DIYs. Leave in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Yeah, let's get this channel up and going. Look at that. So here I was adding the labels. I have a label maker. Let me know if you want the information on where I bought that. But yeah, it's very relaxing. Look at that. Put my label on. There you go. Yay. Oh my days. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And thumbs up or thumbs down. Interact in the comment section and let me know, would you try this? Would you do it yourself? Let me know. How is everyone keeping? Let's get chatting in the comment section and talk about some DIYs or whatever topic you fancy. But yeah, that's it. And that's the tub. What I was saying, I have to actually speed this bit up because I was like, I don't want to make this video too long, this clip too long. So and there's the demonstration now. And that's it. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and yeah, thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Oh my god, nope. I did not want to put this bit in here, you know. See, I was about to say bye now, but this bit comes. I had a shower and I did not cream my feet or my whole body. I did not cream because I wanted to see how well this worked and to demonstrate on camera for you guys. So do not come for me in the comment section, okay? My feet is not always ashy. I just left it like that. You know, you have to demonstrate it properly. I couldn't have nice looking feet to demonstrate the cream working. But again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up, subscribe, turn the bell on for your notification, and be the first person to be notified whenever I. Thanks for watching again. Bye.